because you have scored 93 percentage in your German Goethe A1 examination. That's a good achievement.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great opportunity for me to study with Amritpal Vision for my German language classes, and it was an excellent experience for me too.
So, what do you find interesting in that demo class that you thought that no, I'm going to continue with my German language journey from here?
Online classes were as good as in offline classes
Mm.
because the classes had a very interactive sessions, and especially during speaking time it was very fun that we got to learn new German words.
Hello Harish, welcome to Amritpal Vision. And first of all, a big congratulations to you because you have scored 93 percentage in your German Goethe A1 examination. That's a good achievement.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great opportunity for me to study with Amritpal Vision for my German language classes, and it was an excellent experience for me too.
Mm-hmm. Harish, I still remember that you had, first of all, your online demo session with me. Though you live in Ahmedabad, but still you opted for online demo session with me, right? So, what do you find interesting in that demo class that you thought that no, I'm going to continue with my German language journey from here?
Well, I was a bit occupied during that time, and I decided to take a demo lecture with Amritpal Vision, and I thought that it might be just a place where I could start my journey for German exam at
Mm.
my flexible time, because there were two batches in morning as well as in afternoon.
Right.
So it was very convenient for me to just come up online and have the classes.
Mm-hmm. And how you came in contact because there are many language classes surrounding here. So how do you came in contact with Amrapali Vishi?
Yeah, so my father got reference through his friend. His daughter had uh, got classes here at Amritpal Vision, and she aced her German language classes, and she also done the admission process through the Amritpal Vision. Now she is settled in Germany,
Mm-hmm.
and so I decided that let's trust the reference and move on.
Okay, that's very nice. And yes, I remember that you were in our, because we had classes perhaps at 8 a.m.
Yeah.
and you were opting for that timings, right? So, because, sometimes students get quite skeptical that because it is online, whether I will be comfortable with this online thing or not. Apart from that, whether the listening, the speaking, and everything. So, tell me something about that. Did you ever felt that because it is online, I'm not feeling comfortable or I'm not able to connect with the tutor, with me, right? So tell me something about that as well.
The online classes were as good as in offline classes,
Mm.
because the classes had a very interactive sessions,
Mm.
and especially during speaking time it was very fun that we got to learn new German words, and we used to speak them very fluently during the process.
Mm-hmm. That is interesting. And what about this exam training? Because after finishing our course, I always tell students to book the Goethe examinations. I recommend you dates as well.
Yeah.
That this particular date you are going to book. So tell me something that how your exam training also went. Did you ever felt that no, I'm getting stuck over here and I'm not getting any kind of guidance or anything like that?
First of all, the Goethe training was very smooth for me, and you as well taught us very good and gave us very good lectures for the training. The revision classes were excellent, and I also remember that whenever I have doubt or little query, you always make sure that you clear that hurdle for me so that I have no doubts, and can give the Goethe exam very easily.
Mm-hmm. And tell me something about the language because students are a bit afraid that German is very difficult language to learn. So tell me something that do you find as well that and also you have scored so nice in your examination. So which module have you enjoyed most learning?
Well, as I just said that I enjoyed the speaking module a lot in German.
Hmm.
people, there is a hype between people that German is a hard language, but if the right guidance is met, then for sure you can ace your exams.
That's pretty good. And any further suggestion or advice would you like to give? Because these days, students, you belong to engineering background. You have done your internship from ISRO, which is very, I would say, good platform for students. So tell me something that though you have cleared your internship and everything from very reputed platform, still you are opting for Germany. So tell me that what advice would you like to give to other students as well regarding that?
Well, Germany is a very feasible option, especially for Indian students, because it offers the free educations in
Mhm.
the public universities, and there are over 360 plus public universities where students can enroll.
Mhm.
If they have a good profile, then there is for sure chance to have education in Germany. I come up with the studying abroad at Germany idea by seeing a YouTube video,
Right.
and I found it very interesting. So I moved my journey towards the Germany.
Okay, that's very good. That's nice. Okay, Harish. So thanks a lot for giving us your time. And yes, I know that you're a little bit occupied these days, but still you opted for this podcast. So thanks a lot for that thing. And again, congratulations for your good result.
Thank you so much, ma'am.